To perfect anything requires significant investment. Skills aren't mastered overnight. Knowledge isn't acquired easily. For 1,000 years at the Royal Mint, we have been perfecting our processes, our craft, learning day by day, refining year by year, because we know excellence cannot be hurried. There are no shortcuts to it. The pursuit of perfection is our obsession, and you can see it in everything we design and craft here in Britain. This is our investment for yours. Royal Mint Bullion, 1,000 years in the making.